Hi, welcome to Saasyto, a WhatsApp marketing platform specially designed to help you connect with your customers directly. Today, we will take you to the Saasyto platform and show you how you can easily and effectively grow your business using the Saasyto platform. First of all, let me explain how this platform works. But before that, I would like to tell you that Saasyto offers a 7-day free subscription. You can check out this feature with me during this video or after this video yourself. First, you need to search for web.saasyto.com. A portal like this will open in front of you. Then, you need to click on Sign Up. Here, you need to fill in all your details and make sure that if you are from India, your universal time should be Asia/Kolkata. Otherwise, select the time zone of your country. Then click and sign up. After logging on the portal, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Now, the best thing about Saasyto is that it's not just any ordinary WhatsApp marketing platform. As you may know, if you send too many messages from the same number, there's a high chance of your WhatsApp number getting blocked. That's why we provide you with the feature to scan multiple numbers. Literally, you can scan as many numbers as you want. For example, if you scan 100 numbers and send just 100 messages from one number in a day, you can reach up to 10,000 people with your message. And trust me, this is not the limit. You can do even more than this. Well, the process is quite simple. You will see the WhatsApp Manager option on the left side of the website screen. Click on that. Now, click on Add Account, scan the QR code, and that's it. In most cases, it only takes a few seconds. But in some exceptional cases, it can take up to 90 seconds also. So don't worry if it takes a bit longer. Once your WhatsApp is linked, you can start sending the messages. For this, you need to click on WhatsApp Manager on the left side of your system. Then, click on Create Campaign. And then, click on New Campaign. A portal like this will open in front of you. Now, first you need to select the WhatsApp accounts. Here you will see all the WhatsApp numbers that you have scanned. Now, you need to decide whether you want to send the messages from just one number or from multiple numbers, and accordingly select those numbers. In case you select multiple numbers, your messages will go in account rotation. For example, if you run a campaign using 3 WhatsApp accounts, your first message will go from WhatsApp account 1, the second message from WhatsApp account 2, and the third message from WhatsApp account 3. After that, when the fourth message goes out, it will go again from WhatsApp account 1. Next, you need to give your campaign a name. This is only for your own reference. The receivers of your message won't see this name. After that, you need to select a contact group. Let's see how to create a contact group. On your left side, at the bottom, there will be an option Create Contacts. Click on that. Then, click on the plus sign, enter the name of your contact group, and click Submit. After creating the contact group, it will appear like this. Now, click on the list icon, and then click on Import. Here, you can import contacts in 2 ways. First, by uploading a CSV file, and second, by pasting the numbers directly. Just make sure to include the country code before each number. For India, it's 91. For example, this is my Excel sheet. I copied contacts from here and simply pasted them here. After this, your contact group will appear in Create Campaign. Next, you need to select your media file. You can upload it directly from your system or even from Google Drive. Once you have uploaded a file, it will be also saved in your file manager. So, next time if you need to use the same file again, you can access it from your file manager as well. After that, you need to write your message in the caption box here. If you wish, you can click on the Save Caption to save it. The next time you need this caption, you can click on Get Caption to select it. After that, when you scroll down, you will see the Time Post option. If you want to run the campaign immediately, you don't need to do anything here. But if you want to schedule the campaign for a future date and time, you can click here and select the specific date and time. Next is the Random Message Interval. Before understanding how this feature works, let's understand what this feature is. Basically, if many messages are sent quickly from one number, WhatsApp might detect it as a spam and block your number. Therefore, we provide you with the Random Message Interval feature. With this, you can decide the minimum and the maximum duration between one message and the next after it, to avoid sending messages too quickly and triggering WhatsApp spam detection. For example, I ran a campaign where I selected a minimum of 30 seconds and maximum of 60 seconds. Now there will be a gap of 30 to 60 seconds between my messages. You can set this interval as per your preference, but to stay on the safer side, we suggest keeping at least 90-second gap between each message. Therefore, you can select a minimum of 90 seconds and a maximum of 120 seconds. After following all these steps, you can activate your campaign. Just in case you have run a campaign, for example, to send messages to 100 people and 50 people have already received your message. Now, if you need to make changes to your campaign or stop it altogether, you have those options available as well. This means you can edit or stop your running campaign anytime. Now, if you want to view the report of your campaign, then you can download it from here. Well, apart from all these features, Saasyto provides you with another great feature called Spintax. Basically, the messages we sent earlier were unchanged, meaning the same message was sent to everyone. When the same message goes to many people, WhatsApp detects it as a spam, which can lead to your WhatsApp number being banned. But there is no need to worry. Our platform provides a solution for this too, called Spintax. Let's understand what Spintax is. For example, at the start of our campaign message, we wrote, "Hello, how are you?" And we want to ensure that it does not appear the same to everyone, so that it will not be detected as a spam by WhatsApp. We want the word hello to sometimes be replaced with a hi or a hey. So we'll edit it like this: curly bracket, hello, vertical bar, hi, vertical bar, hey, curly bracket, how are you? Now our messages will not be the same for everyone. Some will receive hello, how are you? Some will receive hi, how are you? And others will receive hey, how are you? These features help increase the safety of your WhatsApp account and significantly reduces the chance of it getting banned. There's another feature called variable. Imagine you have a coaching institute and you need to send a message to 1,000 students with their individual results. Manually sending each student a message with their names and marks would take a lot of effort and time. For such cases, you can use variable. Let's see how variable is used. First, we'll open a new CSV file. In cell A1, we will write the heading phone number. In cell B1, we will write name. And in cell C1, we will write marks. In column A, we will enter all the phone numbers to which we want to send the messages. Make sure each number starts with the country code. In column B, we will write the names associated with those numbers, and in column C, we will write their obtained marks. Now, save this CSV file and return to your portal. Now, go to Create Contacts, click on the plus icon and create your contact group. Then, click on the list icon, select Import and upload the CSV file you just created. After your contacts are imported, they will appear like this. And you will see all the parameters you wrote and uploaded. Now, go to Create Campaign and create a new campaign. Fill in all your details and go straight to the caption box. Here, for each variable you want to include in your message, write the parameter title and include a percentage sign at the start and at the end of your title. For example, hello, percentage sign name, percentage sign, you have scored percentage sign marks in your exam. For example, if one of our students' name was Manav and he scored 92 marks, he would receive the message, hello Manav, you have scored 92 marks in your exams. Amazing, right? Next feature is autoresponder. If you want a particular reply to be sent automatically when a message is received, the autoresponder is quite helpful. For example, hi, welcome to Saasyto. Our executives will be here soon. To create this, you need to go to the autoresponder option in the WhatsApp manager. Click on select WhatsApp account and choose the number you want to set the autoresponder for. If you want the same reply for all numbers, you can select all. Now, you have to enable the status. If you want the autoresponder to be triggered only by messages from individual numbers, select Send to Individual. If you want it to be triggered only by messages in groups, select Send to Groups. And if you want it to apply to both, select Send to All. After that, if you want to attach any media file, you can select it here and write your message. Next, you will have the option to set the resubmit time. That means if a message has been sent to a number once through the autoresponder, then how long it should wait before sending a message to that number again. You can select that here. Then, in Accept Contacts, you will enter the numbers you don't want the autoresponder to send messages to. After that, you can submit it. Our platform provides you with another amazing feature, which is ChatBot. Let's understand this feature with an example. Imagine I have a shop where my products are mainly divided into 3 categories: database, WhatsApp virtual and WhatsApp personal. Now, suppose someone messages me, hi, I need XYZ database. Automatically that person will receive details about that requested database. Or if someone messages me, hey, I need Saasyto WhatsApp professional credit, they will automatically receive details about it through this feature. To understand this feature better, let's go to our panel. First, you need to click on ChatBot option in WhatsApp Manager. Now, click on Add Item below the number where you want to apply the ChatBot. Now, enable the status. If you want the ChatBot to be applied only to messages from individual numbers, select Send to Individual. And if you want it to be applied only to the messages in group, select Send to Groups. And if you want it to apply to both, select Send to All. After this, in the Type section, you are given 2 options. Number 1, message contains any keyword. Here, you can write multiple keywords, and if any of those keywords appear in the incoming message, your reply will be automatically sent to them. For example, if our keyword is database, and someone sends us a message saying, hi, I need database, then the ChatBot will automatically send our message to them. Now, number 2 is message matches exact keyword. Basically, this is similar to type number 1. The only difference is that here the incoming message must exactly match your keyword. For example, if our keyword is send me the link to your YouTube channel, then the incoming message must exactly match this keyword for the ChatBot to send a reply. After that, you need to give a name to this ChatBot campaign. You can name it anything you like. It will just be visible to you. Then, if there is a media file, you need to select it. Write your message in the caption box and then submit it. Let me show you a demo of ChatBot. Status, enable. Send to individual. Type, message contains any keyword. Name, YouTube channel. Keyword, YouTube, then attach media file, my text message and submit. Now, let's try sending a message from another number on WhatsApp to test this. Here we will write, "Hi sir, please send me your YouTube link." See, our message has appeared here automatically. Let's try one more time. "Hey, I need the link to your YouTube channel." See, it's working. Let's stop this campaign and start another one. Status, enable, send to individual, type, message matches exact keyword, name, YouTube link, keyword, link of YouTube channel and YouTube channel link, then attach media file, my text message and submit. Now let's go back to WhatsApp. Here we will write, "Hello sir, please send me your YouTube channel link." See, it's not working. We use the keyword YouTube channel link and it's in the sentence, but the chatbot isn't responding. Let's try just writing the keyword once. YouTube channel link. See, our message has appeared. So, in message contains any keyword, it doesn't matter what the other person writes as long as a keyword is in their message. And in the case of message matches exact keyword, the other person's message must exactly match our keyword. Next feature is group grabber. If you need to send individual messages to everyone in a group, how would you do it? Would you save each number one by one and then send messages? But what if there are 1000 people in that group? It would take a lot of time and effort, right? That's why we provide you with the group grabber feature. In this feature, you simply drop any message into the group whose contacts you need. And then select the number from which you send the message. Afterwards, you'll have the option to download all contacts of that group at the bottom. Now, let's talk about the API integration feature. We provide you APIs for all your WhatsApp numbers along with webhooks for incoming messages, outgoing messages, disconnections and more. Using this, you can automate your processes. However, it's essential to have knowledge of APIs. If you find this challenging, don't worry. We also provide this service, but of course, there are additional costs associated with it. Furthermore, our team is available here to assist you. So if you have any doubts or problem, you can drop a message on our WhatsApp number 8810757473. I repeat, 8810757473. So that was the detailed demo of our Saasyto platform. I hope you liked our platform. Thank you so much for watching.